The pros and cons of using septic agitators to break solids. Septic tanks need proper care to avoid blockages and costly repairs. Some homeowners use septic agitators to help break down solids inside the tank. While this tool can improve system performance, it also comes with risks. Knowing the advantages and disadvantages will help determine if it is the right choice. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Pros of septic agitators. 1. Faster breakdown of solids. Agitators stir and fragment compacted waste, allowing bacteria to work more effectively. 2. Reduced pumping frequency. By keeping solids from hardening, they may extend the time between professional pump outs. 3. Improves system flow. Mixing prevents clogging and helps wastewater move smoothly through the system. 4. Short-term relief. In emergency cases, they can temporarily ease pressure inside an overloaded tank. Cons of septic agitators. 1. Risk of drain field damage. Too much agitation may send solids into the drain field, leading to expensive repairs. 2. Not a replacement for pumping. Regular pumping is still required, even if agitators are in use. 3. Added costs. The equipment and power needed to run agitators increase household expenses. 4. Possible bacteria disturbance. Overuse may upset the natural microbial balance that keeps the tank healthy. Septic agitators can support waste breakdown and reduce some maintenance needs. However, they should only complement, not replace, regular septic pumping and inspections. Used wisely, they may improve efficiency, but misused, they can create costly problems. For most homeowners, septic health depends on a balance between natural processes and proper maintenance. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.